Please see the first question. See question number 1. Question number 1. N equivalent to, there is a number n equivalent to 41 power 4 plus 31 power 4 minus of 21 power 4 plus 11 power 4. Generally, I will tell you method 1, students approach. Method 1, how the students will do this question is, method 1, students approach, how they will do it is, as many of the students know, a power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b. If n is a natural number, just looking at the question itself, they will tell that 41 power 4 minus 21 power 4 plus 31 power 4 minus 11 power 4. They will tick mark. The answer is 20. They will tick mark the answer is 20. Right? So instead of none of these, I will put 42, 65 and 20. Let us see 65 and 20. I'll tell you why am I cross marking none of this and putting 65 and 20. 99.9% of the students, by looking at the question, it is clearly visible to them that it is divisible by 20, so they will directly tick mark 20. You know that I will not give that easy questions which a student can solve it in seconds. 20 is right, but the approach you have to use in solving this question is a little different. There is also one of the option 65 and 20. Now see here, this is the student's approach, Anil Nair's approach. Anil Nair's approach. How will I solve this question? So I will use Chinese remainder theorem. I will use Chinese remainder theorem. First, I will express the answers as a product of two coprimes. 7 into 6. 65 is 5 into 13. 30 is 5 into 6. 20 is 5 into 4. Fifth option, I will remove it and I will write it as 65 and 20. I will tell you why am I writing like this. So, there is an option 65 and 20. If 20 is incorrect, option D and option E both will go away. So, in all these things, what is the number which is their highest? 5. Let me start with 5. 41 power 4 plus 31 power 4 minus of 21 power 4 plus 11 power 4. If I divide by 5, first I am checking with 5. 5 8s are 40, remainder 1. 5 6s are 30, remainder 1. 5 4s are 20, remainder 1. 5 2s are 10, remainder 1. 2 minus 2 0. That means it is divisible by 5. 5 is guaranteed. 5 is guaranteed. Then what I will do is, I will check with, let me check with 4. Listen carefully to every question, sir. Beautiful class, you will enjoy it, sir. Time will just go away like that. Next, if I check with 20, 20 is 4. 4 10s are 40, 1. 4 8s are 32, minus 1. Power even is plus 1. 4 5s are 20, 1. 4 3s are 12, minus 1. Power even plus 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. It is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4. So, we are stuck with option D and option E. Option D and option E. Now, what I will do is, I will check with 65. We are stuck with here D and E. So, if I use, what is the question? Question is 41 power 4 plus 31 power 4 minus of 21 power 4. A lot of mistake identification will happen in today's class. 11 power 4 divided by, I will do 13. 13 3s are 39, 2 power 4. 13 2s are 26, 5 power 4. 13 2s are 26 minus 5 power 4. 5 power 4. 13 1s are 13 minus 2 power 4. So, this is nothing but this minus this. Answer is 0. It is also divisible by 13. 13 5s are 65, 5 4s are 20. Answer for this question is E. Hence, that is the reason I kept an option 65 and 20. Just by looking at the question, you will think that a power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b. Right? You may tick mark 20, but there is a hidden number 65 which will divide this number. So what I did Chinese remainder theorem. What is this Chinese remainder theorem? Write the number as a product of coprimes. Write the number as a product of coprimes. I hope the logic is clear. First I did it with 20, which is 5 into 4. Then I did it with 5 with 13. 5 is already done. I checked with 4, I checked with 13. You don't need to solve it, right? Just check whether the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, then it is divisible by the denominator. First one answer is E, 65 and 20. How to solve this question? By using Chinese remainder theorem. By using Chinese remainder theorem. First one, I hope it is clear.